They had 0 kill blocks in the first, 4 blocks in that second set, and that is just an indicator of how well, they executed at the net. Oh, Almeniana gets us off here in the third set.
Oh, and very notable name yan, no? Si Almeniana. Sa set number 1, siya yung nagbibigay ng buhay para sa Perpetual. And sa set number 2, nag-take over siya para sa Perpetual.
Di pa masyado nababasa si Almeniana dito ng LPU. Ariola going back to Sai. Popped up this time. Pascual deep into that angle. Almeniana nicely done by Dolorito. Muchillas. Rally continues. Menor with a sharp hit. Gemalin Menor. Flick of the wrist. Again, it's another zone 6 placement. Kanina pa problema ng LPU. Pascual. Lozano with the pass. Almeniana. Again, Sai is on fire.
Oo, and again, Marts, etong side na to, eto yung strength niya. Dito siya sa side na to kumukuha ng puntos.
Yeah. One of the best opposites we have in the league, Sai Almeniana, has contributed 13 points already. Pascual. Again, floor defense also a lot better for the Lady Autas. Alberto, good reaction by Sai. Eto si Pascual. Menor! Through the 2 blockers.
Oh, kung doon sa latter part ng second set, pagpasok ni Menor, nag-error siya dahil malamig pa. Siya yung tumapos ng set number 2 and siya yung nag-umpisa para dito sa set number 3. Kumbaga, yung transition from 2 to 3 medyo mabilis lang, mainit-init pa.
Maganda rin yung mga basa nito ni Gemalin Menor, who already has 7 points. Fifi. Back to Sai, who scores on the drop.
Ang gandang basa nun.
Nicely done here by Sai Almeniana. Ito, dalawa na yung binigay sa kanya. Nakahuli lang si Alberto. Hold on, they're contesting something, but play continues. And Almeniana brings it across. Pumuntos pa yung Almeniana. Perpetual was arguing something with our first referee. Itong si referee Eli De Jesus. Pero mukhang hindi na pag-usapan. And this is Jonah Dolorito.
Nung nagpo-Toro serve ako, tsaka palang nagpapalit yan ng libero, which is hindi pwede, dapat gano'n, ha? Bigyan ko yung delay, ha? Okay.
Okay, dun sa timing nung pagpalit ng libero nitong LPU Lady Pirates. Yun yung kino-contest din. Yung ba ng Perpetual?
Pero magiging iba yun kung hindi nila nakuha yung puntos.
Yeah.
Diba? That would have been big.
6-0 start by Perpetual here. LPU looking lost so far. Perpetual, again, their floor defense has been incredible. They're moving faster, they're covering the floor faster. Pero dito, pupuntos si Sheila Pascual. One of the first-year players. Etong LPU came from FEU. Itong si Sheila Pascual. Wow! Double quick yun Dolorito! Back row push is low.
Eto na nga, nagising na nga talaga yung Perpetual.
Habang ang opposite ang nangyayari sa LPU dito, they couldn't quite get it going here. At least go back to their play in the first set. Mochilias, dahil na rin nag-adjust dito ang Perpetual.
Oo, Perpetual giving them different looks now compared to set number 1. Nung set number 1, napag-usapan natin, they've been attacking LPU on one side. And ang pinaka-mix-up na nila is ibigay sa quick, which bantay sarado rin ng LPU na nag-struggle sila the entire set number 1. But set number 2 and 3, they're giving them different looks. Ngayon, meron na silang sabay na atake galing sa gitna. From left side, from the right side. Iba-ibang looks yung binibigay nila ngayon sa LPU.
2-7. Menor. Dolorito. Not over. So Perpetual will take the 6-point advantage going into the break. When we return, we'll hear a report from Miss Bianca Tagarda.
Mga kapuso, you're still tuning into the NCAA Season 101 Women's Volleyball Tournament here at the San Andres Sports Complex. Hindi ako pwedeng pangunahan ng takot dahil ako ang nag-iisang senior na maglalaro sa team today. That's what Jonah Dolorito told me before the game, bouncing back from her 26-point performance in their game versus Benilde. For Jonah, she has to be the ate that her team needs amidst the absence of their team captain, Kat Gallardo, and senior outside hitter Janet Tulang, who is also recovering from injury. But coming into the third set, Coach Crom reminds the girls, hindi naman sila yung may ginawang bago. Tayo ang may new adjustments, kaya mag-stick tayo sa sistema. Martin and Prince?
Thank you so much, Bianca Tagarda. And that leadership is badly needed right now by LPU.
And syempre, pag nagsa-struggle kayo, doon talaga kayo magsa-turn doon sa mga veterano ninyo.
Right.
So doon mo dapat sila asahan na mag-step up and mas maging vocal. Like yung nabanggit nga ni Coach kanina, hindi na kasi kayo nagsasalita. So dapat kapag nagsa-struggle kayo, the more na mas mag-exert kayo ng effort to communicate with each other.
That's right. Eto, on cue. Pag talagang pinag-uusapan yung player, naririnig, Jonah Dolorito with a cross-court beauty. Si Luzano pa yung tinarget na doon. 7 so far for Jonah Dolorito. Lopez, faulty first ball here. D-ball for Almeñana who went long on that hit.
Kamuntik na, pero last second decision na hindi kunin yung bola, napabuti pa.
So LPU, dalawang sunod.
Sigurado tayo, oo, nagigigil eh. Dito na tumatama yung bola, oo. Ha? Kalma lang tayo, pasahan natin. Si Jem ba to?
Okay, sa farewell si Jem. Yung spikes po sila.
Si Jem?
Si Jem ako.
Oh, Jem. Ano pa mo? Oh, yun, di mo to. Ha?
Oy!
Masarap ka, pipag mo ka si Bahay.
Coach Sandy Rieta trying to stop this 3-0 run mounted by LPU. Kaya nakalapit na sila ng gusto dito sa Perpetual.
Oo, pero makikita mo yung demeanor ni Coach ngayon. Iba na, compare mo dun sa demeanor niya nung set number 1. Nung 1, medyo, medyo anxious pa siya kasi hindi sang-ayon sa gusto niya yung nangyayari inside the court. Pero after that set number 2 dominance, nakita niya na yung players niya ready na. Kumbaga, sila na yung nag-dictate nung game. And same way with this set, sila pa rin naman yung nagdi-dictate. Mas relax na si Coach.
And LPU, it's been hard for them to read these Perpetual attacks. Jonah Dolorito.
That's side.
So she's getting more comfortable now.
No, nadinig eh. Nadinig niya kanina na, na pinag-uusapan. Sabi niya,
Yan,
pakitaan ko lang kayo ng konti lang. Paramdam lang tayo ulit.
8 puntos para kay Jonah now.
Jonah Dolorito.
She'll be coming from the back. Dahil magsuserve siya dito.
Oo, 3 na lang ang kalamangan
Ah.
ng Perpetual.
Oh!
Servicing.
Make that 2 aces now for Jonah Dolorito. And this will enable LPU to inch closer here.
7, serving 9.
Okay, again, nung first set natin, ganito. Nakakuha ng separation ng LPU. Nung si Jonah nagsuserve. Better pickup coming from Menor.
Good save.
Ariola. Omipon. Deflected. Pascual winds up. Lozano saves it. And it is a chance ball. Pascual. Omipon. Long rally. Extended exchange. Ariola goes to the quicker.
Wow.
Good reaction from Dolorito. Eto si Pascual ulit. Wala pa rin bumibitaw. Palacio. Bumalik. Omipon will try. It is dug up. Palacio. Pero may humawak sa net.
There's a net touch on the side of the Lady Outcast.
Props to Pascual.
Yeah.
Props to Pascual. Ang hirap nun. 3 atake. Sa'yo binigay. Ilang beses mo kailangan tumalon ng pinakamataas na kaya mo, dumipensa. Tapos ikaw ulit. Eh, nakakapagod talaga yun.
Yeah, both teams played great floor defense. Pero
That was a great rally, though.
Yeah, that was a great rally. Omipon wide.
Attack goes up.
So, tabla na tayo. 9-all in this third set.
The Lady Outcast.
And here comes the double sub
18 comes Guy.
for Coach Sandy Reyeta.
11 comes Bustamante.
Pinag-usapan lang natin kanina yung demeanor ni Coach nung after nung
We are
timeout.
now
na,
tied
iba
at
na.
9.
Medyo
Nag-iba,
relax
nag-iba.
na siya. Pero parang pabalik na siya
Serving
ulit
LPU.
sa demeanor niya nung set number 1. Dahil
Jonah Dolorito.
napakaganda ng run na binibigay ng LPU.
Stress na ulit si Coach Sandy.
Service
But
goes
Jonah commits the service error.
Naibalik naman niya yung LPU dito sa game na to.
Yeah, she's done enough in this stretch.
Oh, and like what you said, siya rin
Serving
kanina
for the
yung
Lady
dahilan
Outcast.
kung bakit
Geraldine
nagkaroon ng run.
Palacio.
Itong LPU kanina while she was serving.
Uy! Baba yung set. Omipon.
Ay, parang
Oh!
pumasok
Backs
eh. Oh.
inside.
Catches the corner. Initially, it looked like it was going up, pero bumaba yung bola.
11
11 to
serving
9.
9.
Perpetual back ahead by 2, trying to take over the lead in the match. Pascual went through the blockers.
Down the line. Sheila Pascual.
This is the 5th point of Pascual, who is
On deck to
enjoying
serve,
some extended
Romeo
minutes
Sada.
for Coach Cromwell, rewarding her two-way play rather. Bustamante. Ad-lib from Jonah. Gaa sends it to Omipon. Pascual again will try, and it is
Off the block.
off the block.
Sheila Pascual.
Alam mo, I like the emotion of the si Pascual pag naglalaro. Kanina naka-miss siya ng isang
Score is now tied at
receive.
11.
Makikita mo sa kanya yung frustration niya sa sarili niya. Pero every time naman na makakapuntos siya, makikita mo rin naman how she celebrates yung puntos na ibibigay niya para sa LPU.
Even though
Off the
she's
block.
a rookie,
Bustamante.
naman yung kung paano i-adjust yung sarili niya.
Substitution.
Comes Bustamante,
11 out of
who
12.
just scored here,
Vivi Ariola in.
will be going out
18
again.
out of 7. Sayal
So, a quick double sub para kay Coach Sandy Rieta.
On deck to serve for the Lady Outcast.
Back on the floor are
Fifi Ariola.
Fifi Ariola and Sai Almiñana. Here's Fifi. This popped up. Pascual. Umipon. Andon si Banyares. Still alive. Almeñana. Wow, Lopez with a dig. Uy.
Attack goes out.
Good exchange, but again, an anticlimactic finish. Pascual just went under the ball, kaya lumobo yung atake niya.
13 serving
Siyempre,
11.
yung fatigue, papasok din yan eh. Palagi kang hinahanap kasi nagiging effective ka. There will come a time na mag-error ka din talaga.
This one returned to LPU. Dolorito. Omipon. Here's the slide. Lozano. Inilapit kay Umipon. Who scores right there. This is an underrated pass coming from Lozano. It was the libero.
She's been doing that
Yeah.
kanina pa. Yung second ball nila, siya yung nagdadala papunta dun sa umaatake. And madalas, kay Umipon na pupunta. And ang ganda ng bigay niya.
That's true. Kaya walang problema kahit hindi setter ang nagbibigay as Dolorito commits the attack error. So,
Balik
15
apat.
serving
Oh.
11.
Balik apat ang lamang nitong perpetual.
apat na sunod din ang kanilang in-score dito. Good decision by Dolorito.
Pangatlong service error.
Pangtaghoy.
On deck to serve, Bam Taghoy.
Better first ball. Almeñana. Kinargahan yun.
That's a kill.
Mugsay Almeñana. And
Almeñana.
Perpetual is ahead by 4. Heading into this gap.
That
Balik sa ating laban. 16-12 in favor of Perpetual. And Sai Almeñana is having a game here. Again, you can't give her one blocker. Has to be 2 with the way she's scoring today.
Shai Umipon.
2 or more. So 12-16. And that's been the case lately for LPU. Yung mga atake na yun, attack errors nila.
Oo. Kumbaga, inuunti-unti nila yung sarili nila dito sa set na to. They try to
17
get back
serving 12.
dun sa lamang ng Perpetual. Makakakuha sila ng run. Pero nakakabawi ulit yung Perpetual dahil sa error.
There's a check ball.
Stacy Lopez
Stacey Lopez.
gets the check ball. We were at 11 all earlier. And then a 6-2 run
Lady Pirates.
unleashed by Perpetual.
Sheila Pascual.
Pascual. Again, that's a good pass. And it leads to a very confident attack from Gemalin Menor. You know, perfect approach
On deck to serve.
for her 8th point.
Guzman.
And again, only one blocker in front of her. Off speed. Good up by Omipon. Sai. Underhand pass. Wow. Stacy Lopez
Stacey Lopez.
injecting life into this LPU offense.
Hinanap yung, yung pagitan ng blockers eh.
And that's been a role this year.
Serving for the Lady
Energizer
Pirates,
off the
Anya
bench itong
Alberto.
si Stacy Lopez. Alberto will begin. Ooh! Palacio
Quick attack.
with the swing.
Palacio.
Napakagandang set naman nun.
Ayun, oh.
Serving for the Lady Altas.
Yung atake ni Palacio, it's like a catapult. Pag binibigay sa kanya. Pero
Serving
Oh,
service error.
parang yung bola, served on a silver platter.
Ah,
Susubo na lang talaga eh. Kumbaga, nilagay niya yung bola kung saan mo papaluin eh.
It's a low fast set coming from Ariola. But they follow it up with an error. Wow! Service ace!
Pero parang sa labas na yun ah.
What happened? Oh, very close. Let's see. It was
Ay,
inside.
hindi. Sa loob lang. Dito lang sa angle natin.
16. Serving 19.
Better first ball. This one is deflected. But Bañares couldn't get to it.
Ito na si Menor.
Gemini Minor. Off the block.
Oh, doon sa mga nagmamaneho, maintindihan nyo pag sinabing kang mag-menor ka muna, ibig sabihin, relax lang.
Ah,
Kumbaga, bumagal ka muna. But in this case, si Menor umaarangkada.
Touch on the side of the Lady
that's true.
Pirates.
Ito.
No signs of slowing down.
And this will not help LPU's cause.
Timeout, Lady Pirates.
Net touch on the Lady Pirates. Clearly. Yeah, Taghoy touched the tape.
Nagkakaroon tayo ng problema sa block natin. Di ba yung block nga natin, ito magiging itsura. Nakatapunta tayo dito. Balik muna tayo doon sa sistema eh. Balik tayo doon sa read natin. Hindi po pwedeng binabago-bago natin. Naintindihan?
Up tayo!
Advantage naman eh. Malayo pa yan. Kailangan lang natin makakuha ng unang puntos pagpasok.
Let's go! Kaya pa yan, di ba lang? Isa-isa lang.
21-16. Reminders from Coach Cromwell Garcia to just go back to the system.
On deck to serve.
Again, they've been shaky here in our third set. Osada, no good. Si Dolorito ang kukuha. Ariola, again. Geraldine Palacio connects.
Palacio.
She has been very hard to stop today. Two blockers
22.
late on
serving
the jump.
16.
Boom. Goes back to LPU's side. Almeñana ang nagbigay kay Umipon. And again, it's these balls costing LPU. Palacio barely getting to it. Dolorito. Good effort from the Lady Altas. But a chance here for LPU. Back to Jonah. The blockers nakaset up. Umipon. Still in play, and Palacio takes care of it at the net.
Pinilit naman ni Taghoy abutin. Medyo mataas lang ng kaunti.
Wala. High smite para dito kay Palacio. Perpetual now ahead by 7.
Sige, again. Okay, try natin habulin. Okay, two things. Kaya pa natin ipanalo yan. Trabahuhin nyo lang. Okay, second thing, kailangan makakuha tayo ng momentum going to next set. Nakukuha, execute natin yung maayos. Tok! Wala na pag
usap lang!
Coach Cromwell not losing hope here. The least they can do is build some momentum
Substitution for LPU.
going into the next set.
16 out. 19. Aya Gaurana in.
So, new player
Still
on the
serving
court
the
for
Lady
LPU.
Altas.
And this is Aya Gaurana. Another rookie middle
Quick attack.
who has fresh legs off the bench.
Aya Gaurana.
yung isa pang bagong gitna ni Coach Cromwell Garcia. Both of them, her and
Jonah
Alberto,
Dolorito serving for the Lady Pirates.
came from the NU program.
Oh, ito yung ano, kinakailangan nilang experience na makuha.
Umipon. Pascual. Shy. Nandun si Banyares. Back row hit. Menor was ready. Back to Umipon here.
Attack goes
Went wide. So 18 to 23. Two straight from LPU.
Itong place na tinatakbo nila ngayon, ito yung tinakbo nila ng set number 1.
18 serving 23.
Yung gitna and doon sa kabilang side, yung left side na yun. Medyo wala ulit sila dito sa kanan. And LPU, hindi nila ma-figure out kung saan manggagaling yung atake ng Perpetual.
But this time,
Aya Gaurana.
nagmumukhang magic bunot itong si Aya Gaurana. Single coverage on Shy Umipon.
Still serving for LPU, Jonah Dolorito.
Three straight from LPU.
Quality bunot.
And yung fire starter na hinahanap ni Coach Crom. Headshot
That's an ace.
And a third ace.
For Jonah Dolorito.
for Jonah Dolorito.
Timeout, Lady Altas.
So, 4 straight points by LPU will... Yeah, that was definitely a headshot. 4 straight points will trigger a perpetual timeout.
Office yan lang natin. Nabala tayo pasa. Ito yung makaplay. Tawa.
Yan yung tama score, 20 to 23. So Coach Sandy just
Substitution for the Lady
regrouping.
Altas.
First
15
ball.
out.
Ang kanyang hahanapin dito mula sa kanyang
Paul
kupunan.
Reyes in.
Reyes is in for the first time. So this is another spiker
20
who has
serving
experience off the
23.
bench. Let's see if she can make a difference. Jonah Dolorito. That one bounced off the net. Shy of the combination.
That's a kill.
And the perfect
by
response after the
Sharky
timeout
Paul.
para sa Perpetual. As they are now at set point.
Substitution for the Lady Altas. 9 out, 6.
Shy Umipon
Liz Villanueva
coming up with this.
Pero tinan mo yung epekto ni
The
Palacio.
Lady Altas
Ilang
now
beses
at
siya
set
binigyan
point.
doon na ready siya.
Yeah.
Na-convert
Serving
niya
for
yung
the set.
puntos to the point na nakuha niya yung middle blocker na mag-commit sa kanya kahit na decoy lang, kaya na-open yung kay Umipon.
Yeah. Ariola 1-2. Pascual. The block
Point.
for Perpetual will end the third set.
And
Shutting down any form of an LPU comeback. And that time, Fifi Ariola sending it back to center. 2 sets to 1 lead para sa Lady Altas. Welcome back to the coverage. A 2 sets to 1 lead for the Perpetual Lady Altas, making a full recovery after dropping the first set, and their business as usual here in the third. In control the entire time.
Oo, sila nag-set ng ng pace para dito sa set number 3, ano. From the get-go, they were super aggressive in attacking LPU and not giving LPU the chance to relax.
Yeah.
Alam mo 'yun? Kasi may times na pwede kang bumagal on offense eh. And doon nakakakuha ng buhay yung kalaban mo. But in this case, yung Perpetual, inatake nila ng inatake yung LPU to the point na kahit na tumatawag sila ng timeout, parang hindi nila ma-figure out kung ano yung nangyayari.
Yeah. I think the main thing for Perpetual is the way they played on the floor, their floor defense, their getting everybody up, pati na rin yung net defense nila, which makes it harder for LPU's attackers na makakuha ng rhythm dito as we see
Oh, big
the
props.
numbers.
Big props to Lozano, syempre.
Yeah.
Ang dami ng mga first ball na kinuha niya and yung mga second ball para maibigay ng napakaganda to set up yung perfect attacks nitong Perpetual. And true enough, meron silang 17 attacks dito sa set number 3 and malaking portion yan, merong touches itong si Lozano.
Yun yung kinailangan nila i-address from the first set. Prince, look at the advantage of Perpetual in the attacks. 17 to 10. That was just the difference in the third set. At dito may chance silang kuhain na yung laban. As we begin the fourth set. LPU versus Perpetual. Group A versus Group B. Mochila starts us off with an attack error.
Oh, medyo malayo-layo ng kaunti sa net yun.
Not the start LPU wants. Nice give. Dolorito. Pasa ng blockers. Mochilias. Scores this time.
Nai-adjust agad ni Mochilias yung atake na yun.
Ashley Mochilias able to score. Dolorito has 3 aces in the match. Challenging Lozano. And it results to a chance ball. Here's the pass. Pascual down the line. Sheila Pascual with the correct decision here. Iniwas sa dalawang blocker. And it started with Jonas' serve. Because it forced a free ball. It's another faulty first ball from Perpetual. But they will score off the block.
Pero isa yan sa mga specialty nito ni Dolorito, ano, yung service niya. Sa sobrang bigat na pumalo, nabibigyan niya ng chance yung teammates niya na pag binalik ng chance ball, makapag-set up sila ng magandang opensa.
Wow! That's a good play run by Perpetual. Making something out of a tricky situation here as Ariola passes it to Almeñana.
And again, that's her spot. Yung right side na yan.
Mochilias. Nandun si Minor. Almeñana. Banyares. Ariola to the quicker. Wow! Di inabutan ni Dolorito.
Oh, miscommunication.
Akala na kukunin na ni Taghoy. But Lagmay on a one quick motion. Taghoy activating Alberto. So LPU is doing a better job in exchanging points with Perpetual. Not falling into a big hole. Di katulad nung nangyari sa ating huling dalawang sets.
Oh, medyo maaga-aga sila na lumalim.
Yeah.
Dahil lumaki agad yung lamang nitong Perpetual. Pero babalikin ulit natin ito yung mga dapat nilang iwasan, ano? Yung mga errors na na pwedeng hindi sana nila ma-commit.
Oo. Sakit yan.
Oo, naiipon yan.
Serving
Kumbaga,
for the Lady Altas.
nakikipagsabayan lang sila sa Perpetual. Pero yung paisa-isang error nila, doon naiipon yung yung lamang ng Perpetual. Kumbaga, mas malaki yung hahabulin nilang lamang.
Muchilias. Omipon. Saved. Pascual. Through the blockers. So, LBU going toe-to-toe with Perpetual. Pascual
Ashley Muchilias.
targeting the blocker that was covering down the line. Muchilias with 12 points already, and again,
Service error.
they shoot themselves in the foot with a service error. Yan yung masakit dito sa LPU.
Kyle Meñana.
May chance sila na makakuha ng tie.
Block one.
At ito, ang ibinibigay mo sa Perpetual. You know, chances to extend their lead. Gaurana gets denied by Palacio. Pascual with the adjustment. Covered. Wow.
Smart play.
Fifi Ariola outsmarting LPU here. Look at this. Recognizing
Technical
that
timeout.
there was an open spot on zone 5. 8-4 for Perpetual. Pagbalik natin, we'll have Bianca Tagarda.
Mga kapuso, nakatutok pa rin po kayo dito sa NCAA Season 101 Women's Volleyball Tournament here at the San Andres Sports Complex. Martin and Prince, nabanggit nyo nga kanina, patagal ng patagal ay mas nagiging komportable na on-court itong si Jem Menor. At saktong-sakto kasi yung huddle nila coming into the fourth set, focus on her with Coach Sandy Urieta saying, "Kumpiyansa lang, Jem," and her teammates hyping her as well. It wasn't just a short reminder for Jem but for the team dahil mas on point daw kasi ang mga plays nila when everyone is comfortable to shoot their shots and play their role. Now let's see kung ito bang init nila on court will give them the last set that they need to win this game. Martin and Prince?
Thank you so much, Bianca. And that's Gemaline Menor overcoming a slow start today. Again, she's coming off a 26-point performance, all off spikes, previously against Arellano. Today, she's back on track. Oh, there's an error on the side of Perpetual.
4 hits on the side of the
So,
Lady
2
Altas.
straight.
Point for the Lady
One is
Altas.
LPU.
Good call by
Aha.
Tagoy. Napansin niya na hindi nila nakuha yung block.
There's a block touchdown.
Pero bumalik.
by
Ah.
So
Lady Altas.
natawag niya yung yung attention nitong referee natin. Pero may challenge.
Na challenge. So, tignan natin. Usually, ito yung hindi mo matansya in real time. Kung may
Mabilis kasi.
touch ba, mabilis.
Ang bilis ng mga
Oo.
pangyayari minsan na yung focus mo wala dun sa mismong pangyayari. Kasi ang daming nangyayari. Ang dami mong kailangan pagtuunan ng pansin.
And I think ito yung challenge na isa sa mga call na natulungan ng video challenge. Usually, if 50-50, may block touch.
Kasi minsan hindi rin napapansin ng player na sumabit sa kanila.
Na dumaan sa kanila.
Oo.
Tama.
Dahil nga, again, masyadong maraming nangyayari. Katulad yan, minsan yung mga net touch, hindi mo alam na dumikit pala sa'yo.
Mabilis ka. Oo.
Pero all the while, ang alam mo, hindi mo naman talaga tinamaan. Pero once pinanood sa replay, nakikita mo na, oo nga, no, may sumabit nga talaga. And yan naman yung yung pros nitong replay natin.
That's right. So, Perpetual, again, they're trying to start a win streak again. coming off a bounce-back win against Arellano University dahil bago yun, naputol yung kanilang undefeated streak ng Letran in a battle of the undefeated teams. But Perpetual is looking good here. They just needed to regroup. LPO on the other hand, trying here. They're trying to extend the match.
Pero hindi ko alam kung good challenge ba yun. Kasi, again, binanggit ni Bianca kanina, no? Medyo mainit pa eh. Mainit pa tong
totoo
Perpetual.
lang,
Ang ganda
yeah,
ng
yeah.
run nila eh.
That's true.
Pero yung ganito katagal na review, nangyari na to kanina eh. Dito sila medyo nafa-falter eh. Parang bumababa yung laro nila kapag ka nagkakaroon ng mahabang break na ganito. Eh. Nawawala yung momentum.
Yun ang danger nitong
and yun naman ang
challenge.
na-maximize ng LPU during set number 1.
Yeah.
Baga nasulit nila yung challenge nila dun sa set na yun.
Okay, this is an extended review. Parang talagang sinisipat ng ating mga officials dito. Or they're trying to find the right angle to look at. Ito. Meron bang touch dun sa attempt? There was a
Block tap
touch.
challenge by the Lady Altas is successful.
So, successful challenge. Yeah, that's what we're saying. Usually, sa mga tawag na ganyan, yung itinawag na not over, usually may nakakahawak talaga sa net. So, it's gonna be a replay of the point. If I'm not mistaken.
Five is serving 8.
So we're back to 5-8. Yan ang ating score. Sheila Pascual directing that one to Menor. And a quick drops in for Palacio.
That's inside. Lagman.
Nicely done. Fifi going low and fast
On deck to serve.
on that
Ryan
pass
Menor.
for Palacio. Buelo mula kay Muchillas off the D-ball. And again, this time a better reaction from Muchillas. Menor, Muchillas na naman ang kumuha. Dolorito, one-handed save by Lozano. Menor off speed. Jonah Dolorito got to it.
Ready na ako dun eh. Ready na ako. Kunin yung second ball sana eh.
Alam, hindi tayo yung kakampi nila. Pwede pa natin sana makuha yon. But
10 is serving 5.
Gemalyn Menor was able to score 2 straight from Perpetual to stretch the lead to 5. Menor strikes again.
Ill attack by Jem Menor.
Back-to-back hits from Jem Menor.
Kung kanina, medyo gininaw sila sa haba ng review. Parang lalong uminit ngayon. Mas naging aggressive itong Perpetual.
Tatlong sunod pagkatapos ng challenge na yon. Dolorito dug up. Hindi umabot. So LPU takes a point back.
Point goes to the Lady Pirates.
Gaurana to begin here.
On deck to serve.
This is her
Aya
first
Gaurana.
taste of the action here in season 101. One of the few times she's gotten on the floor. Taghoy, Dolorito. Lozano was right behind. Here comes Menor again. Off the block ang diskarte
Off
ni
the
Gemalyn
block,
Menor.
Jem Menor.
Choosing the smaller
Geraldine Palacio.
Taghoy that
serving
time.
for the Lady
13
Altas.
for Menor. And Perpetual doubles up on LPU. Wide right was the serve. Hey, challenge to.
There's a challenge on the call.
Ball in, ball out.
There's a ball in, ball out challenge
Outside
on
ba?
the end of the lady.
Oh, pasok.
Outside.
Dito sa angle natin, parang nasa labas eh.
Sa labas, ano?
Oo.
Yeah, pero sigurado si Palacio nung ano. Pagkatapos na parang pumasok daw.
Baka kaya sila hindi nilalamig kasi tignan mo, nag-warm up sila habang ano
Active,
eh.
ano?
Oo, active sila eh.
Yeah. Yeah, you need that, especially, you know, in extended pauses like this. LPU, this is their 8th game of the season. If they lose this one, they'll be falling under Arellano in Group B na ayaw nila mangyari. Kasi, pag nasa number 4 spot ka, ikaw ang nasa play-in. Di ba? Pag number 3 ka, sigurado ka sa quarters.
Kumbaga hindi ka na dadaan dun sa mahirap na kailangan mo pang lumaro ulit imbis na nagpapahinga ka na.
Yun. Eh, ang delikado pa dun, syempre, di mo alam yung mangyayari sa play-in.
Oo, kasi again, maraming pwedeng mangyari dyan eh. Kasi hindi ibig sabihin nandun ka eh, out ka na.
Yeah. Syempre, may mga teams na nagpipik. Uy! Pwede. Inside.
So tama nga siya.
Yeah.
The ball in, ball out
That was
challenge
good
by the
read.
Lady Altas is
By
successful.
Perpetual, everything
Ball
working in their favor here in the 4th set.
Balik sa 6.
Hindi, 7 na.
7 na, sorry.
13-6.
13 is serving 6.
Biggest for the Lady Altas here in the 4th set. Taghoy. Dolorito kinargahan, but again umipon with the coverage. Check ball para kay Minor. He has been unstoppable in this stretch. Kahit anong bigay, kahit anong diskarte ni Minor, pumupuntos para sa Perpetual. And it is now a commanding 14-6 lead.
Okay, makukuha natin dahan-dahan yan. Hindi naman tayo pag pumalo dyan, 2 puntos kagad eh. Nakukuha. Dahan-dahanin muna natin. Okay, balik muna tayo sa ritmo natin. Okay, kailangan natin magkaroon ng ritmo. Okay, go, 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 go.
Tara, balik tayo. Kaya natin to. Harapin tayo. Very good. Gabay, 7-3. Pasaan muna natin. Pasaan muna.
14-6. And this is how Perpetual built their lead. 2 times nag 3-0 run itong Perpetual dito sa ating 4th set.
And parehas, galing sa challenge.
That's true. Truly. Yeah.
And again, pinag-usapan nga natin kanina, no, na whenever
Serving for the
meron
Lady
yung mga long
Altas
breaks
is
na gano'n yung
Geraldine
challenge,
Palacio.
makikita mo sila na as a group, collectively, nag-warm up pa
Warm
rin
up pa
sila.
rin.
So, hindi nawawala yung init,
Wing attack.
yung pawis.
That's right. So, hindi sila nagre-restart as we see Alberto score right here on the
Yung running na
running
set
attack.
na yan. Ang naalala ko dyan si Abby.
Ay, Maranya.
Oh, yan yung isa sa mga paborito niya eh.
Ano niya yan? Specialty niya yan.
Oo.
Ni Chang Abi. Minor with the adjustment. Back row. Again, umipon covering behind the line. And it's inside.
That's a point for the regular time.
Lagmay. On
Big
the
props,
line.
big props to Ariola, no, for changing things up from time to time. Bigay kay Menor,
On-time to
bigay
serve,
kay
Vivi
Lagmay, kay
Ariola.
Palacio. Diba?
Yeah.
Iba-iba yung pinagbibigyan niya ng bola to the point na sino ba ang kailangan natin bantayan dito? Kaya ang nangyayari, one-on-one na lang. Pati blocker mo, one-on-one na lang ang labanan.
Busog na busog yung mga scorers.
Lady
Netong
Altas.
Perpetual because of the ball
And that's
distribution
our
of
second
Ariola.
technical
16-7
Score is
lead. Let's head to this break. Balik sa ating laban. It's a dominating performance so far from the Lady Autos here in the fourth set.
16
Pushing the right
serving
buttons. LPU. Opposite ang nangyayari sa kanila dito. Muchilias. Denied.
Back-to-back point
Substitution for the Lady
from Lagmay.
Stacy Lopez in.
What a block. Denying the cross court. Lopez is back in the fold for LPU. Dolor Rito drills it in.
It's been a while.
Yeah.
Since nabigyan ng napakagandang set itong si Dolorito.
On deck to serve for LPU.
And kanina, kung mapapansin mo, makikita mo na sa kanya yung frustration eh. Kasi paulit-ulit siyang nagre-remind whenever they huddle na usap tayo, kailangan communicate pa tayo even more, tapos iangat natin yung first ball.
Yeah.
Yun yung parang nakukulangan sa kanila na pinapaalala rin ni coach kanina eh. Wala nang nagsasalita pagka nagra-run yung perpetual. Lalong tumatahimik. Dapat normally, mas lalo kayong mas maingay nag-uusap to get back dun sa flow ninyo.
I think this is also a game na mas kailangan matibay ang first ball ng LPU because again, they don't have their primary setter. Itong si Kat Galedo. So, you'll be relying on Bam Taghoy, who is, and dapat perfect lagi ang ibibigay mong pasa sa kanya para mas madali ang buhay.
Oo.
Ito, better hit. Boom. Almeñana rises up for that spike.
Ito yung pinag-uusapan natin na different looks. Kumbaga kahit sang side sila humarap, pwede nilang ibigay.
19 points now for Almeñana. Off speed mula kay Lopez. Ken Perpetual's floor defense. Solid. Lopez. Pinadaan sa blockers. Omipon. Pascual. That's good.
Pwede pa.
Huh?
Pwede pa. 19-10.
Highest scoring game of the season
Oo, and
for Sheila Pascual.
And
with
also,
11.
kapag ka naibaba nila yan ng 5, for sure there's gonna be a timeout.
Yeah.
And magkakaroon sila ng chance ulit magkaroon ng run.
10-19. They go to Omipon, who sends it away. Shy Omipon.
Pero nadinig tayo ni Omipon eh. Sabi niya, malapit na mag-uwi yan eh. Huwag na natin paabutin ulit ng 5th set.
They've done such a great job in doing that. You know, preventing runs from happening. Laging may sagot at marami ang isinasagot ng Perpetual.
Pero again, nag-uumpisa lahat yan dun sa first ball nila eh. Naiaangat nila ng ayos na nabibigyan ng chance si Ariola na humanap ng best possible na atake.
Yeah.
And hindi lang ngayong set yan. Kasi ginawa na yan throughout dun sa second, third, and fourth, which they have been dominating.
Yeah.
Serving for LPU.
Okay.
Stacy Lopez.
Tignan natin kung kaya pa ng LPU dito. Uy, hindi inabot ni Almeñana. Rare miscue on the set today for Ariola.
12 is serving 20.
Or was the error on Almeñana who jumped too early? Wow. Nice reaction by Bañares. Tatry ni Pascual. Back set here for Almeñana. Palacio. May check ball pa. Meron daw.
There's a check in there.
Umamin.
That's a point.
Umamin naman. Umamin naman. Tinanong siya ng teammates niya. Kung meron. Umamin naman agad.
So 21-12.
Serving for the Lady Autos.
Perpetual 4 points away from yet another win.
That was a risky play.
Yeah.
That was a very risky play.
Sheila Pascual.
Deep angle taken by the rookie Sheila Pascual. Look at this. Ito placement lang, ayun o. Off speed. Going into zone 4.
13, serving 21.
Baka huling chance kumapit ng LPU, and as I say that, they commit best service error. One, two. Binuhay ni Umipon. Good effort from Lozano and Umipon. Dolorito! And that's Menor crashing into the sidelines. Oh no.
Medyo malakas yun.
Yeah. Nakahawak. Agad-agad sa balikat itong si Gemalyn Menor. Let's see. Because she dove in to save this. You know, track down. Oh yeah. Might be an overextension. Okay.
Parang na-stretch ata.
Yeah, sa balikat nakahawak. Ayun, yung right na, yung in-extend niya.
Baka na hyperextend. Wag naman sana.
But she's still down. And she's being attended here by our medical team. Coach Sandy attending to her injured player, or to his injured player. Gemalyn Menor. This is one of the
Oh, and she's been playing
key
really
pieces.
well.
Yeah. And she's been a reliable player for Perpetual this year. So she won't even go to the bench. She'll be attended here by the medic. (14:22). Prayers up for Menor as she
Substitution for the Lady Pirates.
gets checked here.
19 out, 9.
Tinatanggal na rin yung
Roxy De La Cruz.
tape. Yung wrist tape na ito ni Menor.
14,
So De La
serving
Cruz
22.
coming in here. Let's see if Super Roxy will show up. Villanueva scores to the delight of the entire Perpetual team.
Quick
That's the
contribution.
one for the Lady Altas.
Villanueva, nabigyan ng chance dito.
Kanina pinag-usapan natin yung similarities niya doon sa player before eh.
Ah,
Diba? Na ganyan din. Medyo
On
under
time
height
to
pero
serve.
yung positioning nila
Cherokee
parehas.
Palacio.
And true enough, pinakitaan tayo agad.
Mula ito sa Holy Angel University in Pampanga. Ito si Liz Villanueva. Push doesn't work. Banyares keeps it up. Stacy Lopez mag-go off speed. Villanueva rejected. There's an error on Perpetual. 4 touches.
Side of the Lady Altas.
So, yet another chance for LPU to come back. The window
Serving for LPU.
is slowly
Magdagon.
closing. So, they gotta react now. Omipon takes it. Villanueva with a long ball.
That's inside.
Catching the line.
Is Villanueva.
And it is match point for Perpetual. They have 9
Lady Altas.
match points to work with.
11 out, 12. Vivi Ariola in.
Back-to-back points.
18 out.
Again,
7
Zone 6 has
Simon.
been suspect for LPU today.
The Lady Altas now at match point.
Unable to address that throughout the game. That's been the gaping hole on their floor defense. Faulty first ball. Pascual from the back row. She catches the line.
That's inside.
So 1 match point saved
Point for the Lady Pirates.
by Sheila Pascual. And now, Jonah Dolorito. Today, she has 3 aces. She's been serving heavy. Lozano with a good first ball. Sansa para sa LPU. Lopez. Villanueva. Pascual! Denied!
Block point.
Back to sender.
And Perpetual takes this win. 25-16 in the 4th set. Sheila Pascual getting read like a book by Sai Almeñana. Second straight win for the Lady Altas. Second straight loss for LPU.
Sing
best player of the match, Fifi Ariola. 5 points and 19 excellent sets today. And again, a lot of players fed, a lot of scorers. We're in double figures for Perpetual in this 4-set win versus LPU. Yan. Si Fifi Ariola ang ating player of the match. And this is the final score. Another 4-set win para dito sa Lady Altas. Pagbalik po natin, kakausapin natin ang winning head coach, si Coach Sandy Rieta.